You think it's your boss that's keeping you stuck. But the truth is, it's not your boss. It's your lifestyle, your habits, and your fear of what happens after you finally walk away. Let's be real, you've thought about quitting more than once. Maybe every Sunday night you feel that pit in your stomach, or every payday you tell yourself you'll save enough to finally resign. But months pass, nothing changes. So what's really keeping you trapped? Today, I'll share 5 hidden reasons Filipinos can't resign even when they're unhappy, and how to break free step by step. If you've been searching for how to escape career burnout, money habits Philippines, how to budget low income, or how to start my freedom plan, this one's for you. Number 1, the comfort illusion. The paycheck feels safe, doesn't it? That bi-monthly 15 to 30 inches rhythm gives you a sense of control. But here's the trap. Comfort and control aren't the same thing. What you really have is predictability, not freedom. Your salary keeps you from exploring side hustles or trying new ways to earn money online in the Philippines. Because uncertainty feels like danger, but the real danger is staying in a job you've already outgrown. Start small. Build a financial cushion that lets you take risks. Even 1,000 pesos saved each week builds momentum. That's not just savings, it's buying your right to choose. Number 2, fear of losing identity. This one's sneaky. You say you work for money, but deep down, you also work for validation. The job title, the office ID, the feeling of being somebody when people ask, "So, what do you do?" Many Filipinos stay stuck not because they love their work, but because they fear being a nobody without it. But identity should come from purpose, not payroll. Try this. Instead of asking, "What do I do?" start asking, "What do I stand for?" You might realize your worth was never tied to a company name. It's tied to the impact you make. Number 3, financial dependence. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: bills, rent, utilities, debt, groceries, maybe family support. You can't resign because your bills own you. But here's what most people don't realize. You're not trapped by bills, you're trapped by lack of a plan. Start building your freedom fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Cut down small leaks, unnecessary subscriptions, food delivery, impulse shopping. Redirect that money into your safety net. You're not just saving cash, you're buying peace of mind. Once you hit your first 10,000 or 20,000 buffer, you'll feel something powerful. It's confidence, and that's what makes resignation possible. Not luck, but preparation. Search for how to budget low income or money habits Philippines if you want more practical steps after this video. Number 4, lifestyle lock-in. Every promotion, every bonus, you celebrate by upgrading. New phone, new rent, better coffee, weekend trips. Suddenly, your lifestyle inflated faster than your freedom. This is called lifestyle lock-in. When your expenses rise as fast as your income, you feel like you're progressing. But really, you're just spinning in a nicer cage. The fix? Temporary downgrade. Move back home if it means saving. Cancel what doesn't add joy. Simplify for 1 year so your money starts working for you, not against you. Remember, financial freedom in the Philippines doesn't start with earning more. It starts with needing less. And number 5, no freedom plan. You've dreamed about quitting, but dreaming isn't a plan. Many people think, someday when I have enough, but they never define what enough means. That's like planning a trip with no destination. Here's what a real freedom plan looks like. Step 1, know your freedom number, the amount you need to survive for 3 to 6 months. Step 2, start a low-risk side hustle, freelancing, online services, or e-commerce. Step 3, learn in-demand skills in 2025, digital marketing, design, writing, or customer success. Step 4, track your progress monthly. This isn't about quitting tomorrow, it's about earning the power to choose when to quit. If you've watched our video about side hustles or how to earn extra income, this is where you start. If this hit close to home, don't quit out of frustration, quit with a plan. You don't need to be rich to have freedom, you just need clarity. Start today, review your expenses, build your first freedom fund, and create your exit roadmap. If you're serious about building your freedom years, tap subscribe and join thousands of Filipinos learning how to earn more, spend smarter, and live on their terms. Because financial freedom isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Before you blame your boss, check your habits. Because the real reason you can't resign yet isn't your workload, It's your relationship with money, comfort, and fear. Freedom doesn't start with a resignation letter, it starts with responsibility. With every smart money move, every peso saved, every small step toward your freedom fund, you're already building the exit plan that future you will thank you for. If this video opened your eyes, I've created something to help you take action, a free guide called the Freedom Starter Kit, 5 steps to build your exit plan. It's packed with practical ways to manage your money better, start a side hustle, and build your financial safety net before you quit your job. Just email freedomyearsproject@gmail.com with the subject line Freedom Kit, and we'll send it straight to you. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the one thing that's stopping you from finally resigning? Drop it in the comments below. You might be surprised how many people are going through the same thing, and your story could help someone else start their own freedom journey too. And if you're serious about building your freedom years, tap subscribe and turn on the bell. We drop weekly no BS videos on money, side hustles, and financial freedom in the Philippines, one video at a time.